welcome you all for this press conference. This press conference is about our most awaited program of the year, that is Vichar Vedh. It is sponsored by Fomento, and we also have our hospitality partners, that is Nanu Resorts. So this year's Vichar Vedh will start from the 18th of February and it will go on till 22nd February. So every day there will be one lecture starting at 6 o'clock. And this year's lineup of speakers, the first day, that is Wednesday 18th February, Dr. Trilochan Shastri. He is going to talk on India and the world. What are our opportunities? So Dr. Shastri is actually ex-dean of IIM Bangalore, and he is well known for his work at the Association of Democratic Reforms, which was set up by him. He was the founder, and as you all know, it has done some great work in political reforms like the Nota and basically making all the candidates reveal their assets and everything. So he is going to be talking on 18th. Followed by that, on 19th, it is going to be Milind Thatte, and his lecture is going to be in Marathi. His subject, Ek Chळवळ, Janat आणि Vanat. So Milind Thatte works in remote villages of Maharashtra, and he works in the area of educating the tribals about their rights and basically right to information and in that area. The third day, that is 20th, Friday the 20th February, Dr. Nandita D'Souza, founder of Sethu, she is going to be talking on the subject different, not less. Seeing strengths, embracing neurodiversity. So, as we all know, her work in Goa, she is doing some actually path-breaking work in the field of autism, and she's an advocate of inclusive education. And basically, she and her team does some phenomenal work in this area. So she's going to be talking on embracing neurodiversity. So that is going to be followed by Dr. Rajat Talak. He is going to be talking on Saturday, that is 21st February, and his subject is Goa, a place to do science and technology. So Rajat, as we all know, he is from Margao, but now he is actually running his own AI and robotics lab in the University of Singapore. Before that, he actually studied, as well as he was a scientist, working as a scientist in MIT, USA, and he's going to be talking on basically technology, science and technology, and with Goa in focus. And the last day, that is Sunday, 22nd February, Dr. Sadanand Sridhar More, he will be talking on Santa Sahitya. He is the 10th descendant of Sant Tukaram, and he has done his PhD and postdoc in the field of Santa Sahitya, basically this, and he is a very well-known person in the literature, Sant Sahitya, basically what we call the literature of the saints. So he'll be talking on the last day. So these are the 5 lectures for this year. We welcome everyone. All these lectures are they are open for public. There is no ticket or anything charged by us. So we request and we also invite each and every one to come and take advantage of these individuals who have unique ideas, and their ideas. The whole purpose of this Vichar Vedh is to share, listen to new ideas, and to get enriched by it. So, if there are any questions, yeah. Yeah.
एक सजेशन दिले फुले कॉलेज कॉमर्स कॉलेज आणि म्हणजे कॉलेजीचे एमएची भुरगे बीएची भुरगे किंवा सायन्साचे भुरगे लेक्चराक हांगा घालात
लेक्चराक हांगा धाडात या
आणि एक प्रोफेसर बरोबर घेऊन आयला जाता न्हू
बरोबर
बरें लेक्चर
या इट्स अ गुड थिंग या
एक तांचे खातीर चड बेनिफीट
तुम्ही पळयतात गोंयकारपण, गोंयकारांचो गोंयकारा खातीर.